I found this little interesting thing when I was shopping on AliExpress, and it's basically a foaming hand soap pump. And the way it works is actually pretty cool. And here is why I think so. So just for comparison, here I have an ordinary air pump. Pretty powerful one too, able to push this entire lead acid battery out of the way. And looking at these two side by side, you probably wouldn't assume that they are pretty much the exact same thing, except with this one having an intake for air and for liquid hand soap. So using 3D CAD, I decided to make an exact scale model of the actual pump itself, making sure I got all the details, which I then placed into a digital assembly, which when 3D printed looks like this. So as I go ahead and insert it into the shell here, you'll see the channels that I made were for the wires to stick out from. And then the hole on the bottom is for inserting the intake tube for the actual liquid hand soap. As you can see, the tube is now connected. And then for the part where the actual foam soap comes out of, I just put another tube in like that. The plan is to basically have like a little reservoir, have soap in it, have everything be 3D printed, have a 3D printed spigot thing to dispense it. But I'm a little too impatient, so how about we just try it out right now? Okay. So apparently all I need to do is dilute the dish soap with 80% of water, and it should become foaming hand soap. Starting off with the water, then adding the dish soap. Once everything is dissolved, we can go ahead and put this thing back on. Okay, let's put this thing to the test. So it's a self-priming pump, so it should suck the stuff up on its own. Look at that. Let me turn that off. Look at that. Look at that. That is what I call foaming hand soap. Take a look at that. Nice. Nice. That is amazing. Okay, so this is definitely going to work. I'm going to definitely add a sensor to this because that is going to be an awesome project. So if you thought that was cool, please do make sure to leave a like because I really do plan on making a whole lot more stuff like this in the future.